Before proceeding to the Özge and Gökberk Demisa video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share and press the notification button. Fans of Özge and Gökberk Demisa shared the beautiful moments of the couple. He has been living together for a long time. He made a sincere post expressing how much he missed the old days he spent with Gökberk. He reminded me of the days when they worked together for hours on the set, laughed and worked side by side. It was clear from his words that the bond they shared was not only professional, but also extremely personal. The two stars shared many happy memories during filming and even off-screen. Fans immediately realized how sincere the bond between them seemed, and this post made everyone feel more connected to their love stories. And his followers commented on how much they missed seeing the duo together on the screen. Özge, how much she appreciated the moments she spent with Gökberk, jokes between them, and reminded them of the special chemistry between them while working together, because they remembered how attractive and cute the duo were in their past projects. They also hoped to someday see the couple working together again on a new project. But it reminded fans of the strong bond they have built over time. In the comments, hopes of the duo to reunite on the screen were shared, and many expressed how much they enjoyed watching their chemistry on screen. Özge's sharing is the bond between both players. Although they are progressing in their careers, it shows that it remains strong and meaningful. Is looking forward to seeing them on a new project together or in individual works.